Okay, Stefan, could you tell us what you see as the key challenges in your role as Director of Research?
I should mention I just arrived from Canada after 25 years, and I was asked to be the Director of Research for Institute of Management in Public Health. And one of my big challenges is to understand the French system, how it works. I have to admit that I'm better at understanding the North American system. And the second big challenge is that the institution, where I'm the associate director, actually I'm the associate director of the Institute of Management and the head of research, is to bring a group of faculty that was used to primarily teach and train hospital directors to understand the importance of research and to start accepting, running some research program and publishing and so on and so forth. So that's really the big, changing the culture change.
Leon, could you tell us what are your key challenges?
I think, of course, there are a lot of big challenges, but for me, there are at least two big challenges. The first is about the quality of research, and the second is about the funding.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Could you tell us what prompted you to join the programme? I know you want to get to know the French system better.
That is, it's again to meet other research directors and to learn from them. Okay, and possibly, of course, if I can bring some knowledge to them, I'll be very happy about that. But it's really to learn from other research directors what type of challenges they face and what type of solution they try, the solutions that were successful and those who are not successful, and also to build a network.
Yeah.
Because I don't know many people here. My network is in North America, not in Europe.
Okay, thank you. Leon, can you tell us why you joined the programme?
Yes, I think it's quite similar answer, and beside the networking, sharing experience and also have feedback and to see if how we can manage the issues and the difficulties between, we can compare and discuss about between directors of research.
And you have a new institute?
Yes, so we're going to create a new research center about China, and that's why it's very important to understand how we're going to manage and the way to cope with this challenge, etc. Yeah. And we have some during the discussion some research issues. So this is very interesting.
And finally, what has been useful so far?
Meet the people I met, both in the group, but also in London. At the Cass Business School, for example. We've learned a lot about how the British system works, which is, by the way, very quite close to the Canadian and US system.
And you've met some people on the UK programme.
Yes, exactly. Today, actually, it's really interesting, and also I learned that other members of the group have, first of all, similar challenges, but also do things that are quite similar to what we do. My colleague here, for example, working with China. We are running a lot of programs with Vietnam and China and so on and so forth. So I'm already seeing some potential partnership. Exactly. Both with my colleagues, the French colleagues, but also in the UK, here in London. Yes, of course.
That would be great.
Yeah.
Leon, your key learning points
I
so
think
far?
I would add so far that's a very interesting guide from EBS about the publication list, and we can compare with the French list, so that is a very excellent benchmarking.